Why has Tesla been experiencing 3 years of stagnant stock prices despite significant business growth? The electric vehicle giant has been expanding its operations, but the stock fails to reflect this dynamism. This pattern of intermittent bursts of growth followed by periods of consolidation characterizes Tesla's stock behavior, prompting us to explore the factors influencing Tesla's market performance. As the discussion unfolds, Tesla is revealed to be facing challenges related to inflation-driven pressures on wages. The end of an inflationary cycle often triggers demands for higher wages, impacting the company's operating margins and creating short-term challenges. Everyday Americans, how do you perceive the impact of inflation-driven pressures on Tesla's operations and its potential effect on stock prices? A noteworthy development is Tesla's significant discounts on certain models, particularly the Model 3, with discounts as high as $33,000 highlighted in the discussion. This aggressive pricing strategy may be a response to market dynamics, potentially influenced by Tesla's desire to maintain market share in the highly competitive electric vehicle market. Everyday Americans, what are your thoughts on Tesla's strategy of offering substantial discounts on certain models? The video suggests that Tesla's margins are expected to hit bottom in the next couple of quarters, with a potential turnaround in the third or fourth quarter of 2024. Despite short-term margin challenges, the company remains optimistic about its market position, anticipating future improvements in margins and sustained growth. How does this information influence your perception of Tesla's long-term prospects? Shifting gears, the discussion touches on Meta, formerly known as Facebook, and its remarkable stock performance in the current year. Despite impressive gains, the video argues that Meta is still undervalued based on its business model and potential for sustained growth. Everyday Americans, do you agree that Meta is undervalued, and how do you perceive its business model in the context of its stock performance? An intriguing observation is made regarding the popularity of Meta's Oculus virtual reality (VR) headset among children. The discussion notes that, in comparison to traditional gaming consoles like the PS5 or Nintendo Switch, kids seem more inclined to use the Oculus due to its wireless and immersive experience. Everyday Americans, do you find this observation relatable, and how do you think it might impact the ongoing competition between Meta and Apple in the VR and augmented reality (AR) space? The video expresses concern about Apple's VR headset, citing a PP problem, referring to price and being plugged in. The criticism revolves around Apple's decision to release a product with a wired connection, considered a significant drawback in the current technological landscape. Everyday Americans, what are your thoughts on Apple's VR headset strategy, and do you believe a wired connection will impact its success in the market? In conclusion, the discussion assesses the potential impact of these dynamics on stock performance. While short-term challenges may affect Tesla's margins, the company's long-term outlook remains positive. For Meta, the video suggests that the stock is undervalued, and the company's VR technology, particularly the Oculus, may play a significant role in shaping consumer preferences in the tech industry. Everyday Americans, how do you foresee these market dynamics affecting your investment decisions? As always, thorough research and consideration of multiple perspectives are crucial before making any investment decisions. Keep in mind that these analyses are based on current observations and market conditions. Prices and trends may change, and it's important to stay informed and adapt your strategy accordingly. Disclaimer: the content provided here is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions.
Before you go, help us by smashing that YouTube like button. And subscribe to this channel, so you won't miss any of our videos. This shows YouTube algorithm that you value our information, and it helps us spread the message. Sharing is caring.